Ladies and gentlemen, we are on the brink of a new era in aviation that may sound like something straight out of a science fiction novel. The United States Senate Commerce Committee has just approved groundbreaking bipartisan legislation aimed at completely overhauling FAA certification rules for flying cars and eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. This isn't just about technological innovation. This is about setting the stage for what could be the next major leap in personal and urban transportation. Are you ready to take to the skies? The new rules fall under the comprehensive MOSAIC, Modernization of Special Airworthiness Certification, rule change, which seeks to standardize timelines and streamline the certification process for this burgeoning industry. Imagine a world where your daily commute involves a quick flight above congested traffic, landing conveniently near your office, or swiftly shuttling between cities without a moment wasted in long security lines. This vision is rapidly approaching reality, and a host of companies are racing to make it happen. Consider Joby Aviation, a name that's become almost synonymous with eVTOL. This innovative company recently completed its first FAA-approved flight, marking a significant milestone not just for the company, but for the industry as a whole. Joby's aircraft are designed to carry passengers at speeds up to 200 miles per hour with a range of 150 miles on a single charge. Meanwhile, Aleph Aeronautics has announced they've begun production of what they claim is the world's first true flying car. Their model promises to solve traffic problems by offering a dual-mode vehicle that can drive on roads and then effortlessly transition into flight mode. And they're not alone. Honda, known for its automotive engineering, is now making waves in the eVTOL market. The company targets its first full-scale prototype flight by 2026, promising a blend of advanced technology and reliability. In Europe, Vertical Aerospace recently completed a successful piloted flight test, demonstrating that their aircraft can meet both safety and performance expectations. Their vehicle integrates cutting-edge carbon fiber technology to achieve unprecedented efficiency and agility. But while these companies are making impressive strides, let's not forget the global landscape. Cities like Dubai and Paris have already designated initial air taxi routes. These cities are pioneering this transportation modality, setting examples with trial runs scheduled for later this year. It appears they are betting on the future, becoming the present faster than we might anticipate. Now, you might be wondering, what does all this mean for me? For one, increased competition is likely to drive down costs, making this technology more accessible than you might imagine. As companies push boundaries and nations set the frameworks, it is a mutual race for technological and regulatory supremacy that could dictate future habits and urban design. Moreover, the question of infrastructure looms large. The integration of flying cars and eVTOLs into busy urban environments will require new types of airports, perhaps better described as vertiports, and charging stations. These developments could energize local economies, spur job creation, and demand new urban planning paradigms. However, amid the excitement, there are challenges that cannot be underestimated. Safety remains paramount, and the FAA's evolving regulations will have to address concerns ranging from airspace management to crash avoidance technology. Furthermore, environmental impacts will need careful consideration as we advance towards a new age of electric aviation. So dear viewers, what do you think? Are we ready for a world where flying cars become as ubiquitous as traditional vehicles? Or are there unforeseen factors that might slow this progress? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the conversation on how we shape our future airways. Let's imagine the possibilities together while staying grounded in the responsibilities that come with them. Thank you for joining us in this journey into the skies.